Okay, well this is the after. I replaced this mirror myself. I ordered it from eBay from a seller who wrecked Equinox like this so I could get the color match. Here's the scratch, well what used to be the scratch. Still a little bit left on the emblem, that's fine. See if I can find a before picture. I should have taken a video before, but look down here. There's really not much left. We were quoted $2,000 at a body shop to repaint the whole door. So I used this and about 15 or 20 minutes of elbow grease. And I'm okay with this for a 2018 that I was going to have to pay for myself because it was a hit and run and I didn't want to make a claim on my insurance. So moral of the story is, if it's not too bad, just try it yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.